Cyber Cell Goa arrest one defrauding another of rupees 23 lakhs by creating a fake Facebook profile and impersonating a woman interested in marrying him. Goa to witness rains with thunderstorm and lightning on Saturday, Sunday. Wet Dosro likely. Repair Kavale roads or else two-wheelers will break into pieces, say locals, upset over state of roads. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequeira. Now the news in detail. Looks like the Dasra festival on Sunday will be a wet one. IMD has said heavy rains accompanied by thunderstorm and lightning are likely to prevail over Goa on Saturday and Sunday.
IMD said light to moderate thunderstorms are very likely at few places over Goa. Rain is very likely to be accompanied with thunder and lightning. Short intense spells of rains are very likely at isolated places. Thunderstorm clouds are present on eastern side of Goa. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour are likely to prevail along and off Karnataka coast and adjoining east central Arabian Sea on Saturday and Sunday. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea in these areas. Goa was completely lashed out due to heavy rains in past few weeks. There were floods and roads were inundated. Goa reported 194 mm of rainfall till date, which is much higher than normal 141 mm rainfall. Pernem received highest rainfall with 312 mm of rain, followed by Kankona 255 mm, Ponda 253 mm, Sakli 252 mm and Mapsa 209. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
AAP has strongly criticized Adani and Jindal's that they don't want to pay the Goa Rural Improvement and Welfare cess. Adani has taken a stand before the state's transport department that there is no pollution caused during coal handling as they take all precautions while transporting the coal.
Goa Sarkaran Goa Rural Improvement and Welfare Cess Act 2000 कायदो एक आसा. त्या कायद्या अंतर्गत जे ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता कोल प्योर ताजे सेस लेवी करता. सो CAG जे कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया आसा तांचो 2016 रिपोर्ट आयलो. ह्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे गोंय सरकारान 300 कोटी 2016 300 कोटीचे वसुली करपा जाय आसली ह्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे. तेन्ना आम आदमी पक्षान ACB म्हणल्यार एंटी करप्शन ब्युरो कडेन कंप्लेन लॉन्च केल्ली की ताणें सरकारान FIR लॉन्च करची आनी हे जे सेस रिकवर करपा जाय ते रिकवर करचे म्हणून. एक साधारण जर कोणाचें लायसन्स फी असलें किंवा GST जर अमावंट असलो कोणाचो थोडोसो अमावंट जाल्यार सरकार ताजे फाटल्यान लागता, सगळी मशिनरी फाटल्यान येता आनी तो अमावंट रिकवर करता. हे 1000 कोटी फाटल्यान जो रिकवरी करपाक जाय ते सरकारान कितें प्रयत्न केला. दुसरी बाजू जर पळयल्यार सरकार कडेन पयसो अजिबात ना. तिजोरी काबाड जाल्या. फक्त खर्च चलयता ते रीण घेवन. प्रत्येक म्हयन्यान सुमारे 100 कोटी सरकार हे रीण काडटा आनी गोंयकाराच्या माथ्यार लागता. आज अंदाजे 20,000 कोटी रुपयाचे रीण आसा गोंय सरकारान. हे रीण गेली 10 वर्सां BJP सरकार आसा. हे रीण वाडत गेल्लें आसा. हातून दुबाव ना कोणाकूच की इनएफिशियंटली सरकारान फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट केला पळय ते कंप्लिटली इनएफिशियंट. मिसमॅनेजमेंट केला फायनान्शियल अफेर्सचें आनी कर्ज वाडत चल्ला. वी रियली रेकॉग्नायज द एफर्ट्स पुट इन बाय देम इन द पार्टी फॉर लास्ट 4-5 years. तशेंच थोड्यांकडे आमची उलोवणी चालू आसा कळ्ळें. सो कितें मतभेद जाल्लो, थोड्यांक मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन पाविल्लें ते तांचे डिस्कशन चालू आसा आनी आमकां खात्री आसा ते बरोबर येतलें.
Goa Police Cyber Cell arrested Swapnil Naik for defrauding one of rupees 23 lakhs by creating a fake Facebook profile and impersonating a woman interested in marrying him. Police have arrested Naik in Devangari district, Karnataka.
On integration, the accused revealed that he used to pose as female on social media application and trap innocent person for financial gains. The accused also was ranked that he would blackmail his victim once they shared their personal details and then trap them for further. Further investigation is on to identify the victims and other persons involved in this network. Swapnil Naik was previously arrested twice by Kurcharam police station in fraud and cheating. Cybercell has issued further advisories for all persons to be careful while interacting with unknown persons online and refrain from sharing any sensitive data online. Always verify the authenticity of the person you are contacting through your common friends and do not add unknown persons on social media, the police said. It's a Goa 365 Bureau report.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. If not hot mixing, at least patchwork of covered roads should be done. If roads are not repaired and kept in reasonable conditions, then two-wheelers might break into pieces. Government should take serious cognizance of this, local elected representatives and local people have demanded.
Goa 365 is highlighting the pitiful condition of all the Goan roads. Today our cameras will show you around the Kalve Kalshirer area. The road has been completely destroyed and this area is a tourist spot with lot of famous temples in the vicinity. People from across Goa and India visit this area. Watch to what local Sarpant Rajesh Kavlikar has to say on this issue.
चवथी पयलीं ते रस्ते पेड्ड्यार जाल्ले आसा म्हाका दिसता कपलेश्वरी टू दोन खांबा ते तुमी रोड पळया त्याच्या नंतर गाळशिऱ्याच्या रोडाक तरी चलपाक सुद्दां लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम जाता चलत वचपाक सुद्दां स्कुटरी जावं गाडयो घेवन सोडूच चलत वचपाक सुद्दां ते रस्त्यान प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हाजी गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट की दसरो आसा आनी दसऱ्याची पालखी आयतारा थंयच्यान वता तेन्नाय जावचें ना डिव्हिजन 18 PWD हेचे कडेन हांवें डिस्कशन केलें तेवूय लक्षांत घेना रस्तो जर पळोवप एटलिस्ट हांव तेजे कडेन मागता की तुमी तो पॅच वर्क्स तरी करा कारण लोकांच्या स्कुटरीचे चलता चलता दोन कुडके जावपाक सुद्दां थंय वेळ लागचो ना अशी परिस्थिती त्या रस्त्यांची जाल्ली आसा म्हाका सांगपाक खंत दिसता की सुदीन ढवळीकर हे मडकयचे आमदार जेन्ना PWD मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले ते देंवले आनी तेजे नंतर जी आमचे रस्त्याची दुर्दर्शा जाली मडकय ती पळोवण्या सारकी ना ती गव्हर्मेंट हे मुद्दम जावन करता काय कितें तेवूय म्हाका खबर ना की तेतून तो ऑलरेडी म्हाका PWD विचारले की ते सांगता की तो टेंडर जाला तो हॉटमिक्साचो टेंडर जाला केन्ना ते करतले हें म्हाका खबर ना पूण हांव गोवा 365 तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान मागता की तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तरी सरकाराक जाग घेवन की हो बेगींतले बेगीन हे रस्ते जे आसा ते आमचे एटलिस्ट पॅच वर्क्स तरी करून दिवचे
13 वर्सां जालीं हो रोड आमचो म्हणजे बरे वर्स चलतालो पूण हेच एक वर्सा सामकोच हेज्या रस्त्याची सामकी दुर्दशा जाली आसा कोणीय येतलो जाल्यार सामको खड्ड्यांक पांय घालून तेंचे कडेन गाडयो सगळ्यो आवटा वयर सरता आनी वय हांगा शांतादुर्गा टेंपल हें फेमस वर्ल्डाचेर रिकॉर्डाचेर आसा आनी जगभराचो लोक हांगा ट्युरिस्ट म्हणून येता पळोवपाक ते रोडाकून आनी परत येवंक ना ते व्हड चिंतता सगळे इतली रोडाची दुर्दशा जाल्ली आसा आनी आतां आमची दसऱ्याची पालखी हेजे पयलीं आयज चवथी कडेन तशेंच सांगलेलें आमी लेटर सुद्दां केल्ली आसा PWD की हे रस्त्याक मातशें कितें तरी डागडुजी करून कितें तरी करा म्हूण सांगलेलें कित्याक पॅच तरी मारा सांगलें तेणी सांगलें टेंडर जाला पूण आजून पर्यंत टेंडराचें कांयच आमकां हें येवना
रस्त्याक खड्डे रस्त्याक जो व्हडले मागीर कितें येता पॅच वर्क कितें करता परत रोखडेच 2 म्हयन्यान पॅच वर्क गेले ते परत घडे
साम पिड्या जालो रस्तो
सामके हे जाला
आनी बांदोडे न्ही बांदोडेच
बांदोड पंचायत विलेज पंचायत बांदोडा
रोड जो आसा सगळो तो दोन खांब्या कडेन ते हांगा पंचायती कडेन सुद्दां सगळो रोड सगळो बाद जाल्लो आसा गाडये चलोवपाक सगळे त्रास जाता आनी ते तुमी साहेबान ते सारको फुडें सरून तो रोखड्याच रोड करचो अशी तुमचे कडेन मागणी मागता.
It is Krishna Naik for Goa 365 in Ponda.
Looks like the Congress is all set to put botched up things in place. Newly appointed AICC Goa in charge Dinesh Gundu Rao said Goa Pradesh Congress Committee will be reorganized. He said that there is no need for Congress to ally with anybody as it was strong on its own.
Rao has admitted that GPCC was not functioning properly and said that those showing laxity in work and not taking up issues will be pushed to work. Rao also said that there is no question of allying with Goa Forward or MGP as Congress is strong on its own.
In the year 2022 February. So all these things will be having a training program for our booth president. So that will be done. And also our Pradesh Congress committee also we will trying to reorganize the committee because we need to see that it becomes more effective. So the committee, the office bearers, we will reorganize. And wherever we find that our functionaries are not working actively enough, we will try to rejuvenate those wings, whether it is Mahila Congress, Youth Congress, NSUI, Block Committee, District Committee, wherever it is there, where we feel that it is that there is some lack of work. My vision is very, very simple. In every district, in every block, in every booth, Congress should be strong. And we are a party which got the single largest votes last time. We will strengthen the party in all 40 constituencies.
So no people alliance.
When we are strong on our own, and when we are taking up people's issues, and other parties have compromised themselves to for their personal gains, how can we align with such people?
When questioned, former Karnataka Congress President and Karnataka MLA Dinesh Gundurao on Madai, he said Madai issue is sub-judicial in the court. The Supreme Court or the tribunal will decide it. It's the state issue and should be dealt by the state. Party cannot get involved.
We should not have any truck with these people. And I think that is the stand of the Congress party.
Sir, what about your stand on Madai River? Because most of the farmers are depend on the Madai water in Goa. So Karnataka is almost diverted river. So what is your stand?
See, now these are all
what is Congress stand?
These are all very sensitive and important issues, which concerns 3 states. All 3 states have gone in front of the tribunal. Tribunal has passed an order. All 3 have gone back to the tribunal. Also, we have filed in the Supreme Court also.
All 3 states.
All these are going to Supreme Court. So this is now a matter which will be decided in the tribunal and in the Supreme Court. I think whatever they decide, it's a sub judice issue now. Whatever is decided, it is after that. It is once a decision comes only, can there be a further opinion on this?
But Congress will not going to do any agitation to put a pressure on the government, especially on someone.
I'm just saying this is a sub judice matter.
Yes.
And each state will fight for its rights. Like Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, we have Kaveri water dispute. So Karnataka fights for its right in Karnataka, for Karnataka. Tamil Nadu will fight for Tamil Nadu, irrespective of political parties. Could be organizations, farmers organizations, all like that. Each state will have its own issues. Ultimately, that's the duty of each state to fight for its rights and for justice. Ultimately, in a democracy, there is finally some arbitrator. Either the Prime Minister intervenes and settles the matter, because he is the arbitrator where he can call all the chief ministers, sit down and discuss with them and come to some settlement. Because if you remember, Andhra and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, for Telugu, for drinking water to Chennai, Srimati Indira Gandhi settled the matter between these 3 states, and where Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, then Andhra, gave 5 TMC water to Chennai because of drinking water. So that settlement which was done amicably, mutually. So either he should do it, which he did not do for whatever reason. Now it is in front of the courts. So in this country, the final arbitration is at the Supreme Court.
But we talk about the courts, but still illegalities go on. Do you agree on that?
See, anything is there, it is a matter in front of the court. If it's something illegal, how can anyone agree on it? Nobody can agree on it.
So there will be no agitation by the Congress party.
No, each state will do its duty, no?
But I'm talking about
like
Goa.
I said, Goa will fight for Goan rights. Right? That is the right thing to do. Similarly, Karnataka will fight for its right. Tamil Nadu will fight for its right. I cannot say go to Tamil Nadu and say Tamil Nadu Congress people don't fight for Tamil Nadu rights. I can't say that. Either can Tamil Nadu person come to Karnataka and tell Karnataka Congress don't fight for your rights. That is a duty of everyone to fight for their rights. Ultimate decision, like I said, is in front of the court.
But where does the Congress party stand on this issue?
That they've already, I think, Goa Pradesh.
No,
I am not I am here to strengthen the party organization. I'm not coming here to take decisions on behalf of the Pradesh Congress Committee.
Congress has planned different types of program in the next month. Training program for booth managers will be held in December on problems faced by Goa. Kisan Adhikar Divas program on agriculture on the occasion of 31st Sardar Patel birth anniversary at Mapsa and Margao. On the 5th of November, a program to be held to highlight acrobatics and Dalits on women, which allegedly supported by the BJP at Azad Maidan, Panaji. Tractor rally from Bicholim to Mandrem on 8th of November to demand revoking the 3 farm bills. Jawaharlal Nehru birthday anniversary celebration on the 14th of November. It is Samip Narvikar for Goa 365 in Panaji.
The fire at Sonsodo has been doused, but politics over garbage in Margao is heating up. Goa Waste Management Corporation and G Suda both are issuing same contracts for same work, raising eyebrows. Scrap the Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation, Fatorda MLA Vijay Saradesai has demanded.
Michael Lobo had criticized Margao Municipal Council, alleging that councillors of both Congress and Goa Forward are playing politics on Sonsodo. Lobo had appealed to defeat those involved in politics over Sonsodo garbage. Replying to these allegations, Vijay said it is the BJP which is playing politics. If not, why the BJP councillors are opposing proposal passed by their own government? Listen in.
म्हाका दिसता आता वचून की सरकार आणि बीजेपी आणि काँग्रेसूय बी ताचे बरोबर राजकारणच करून सोदता वचून मेरेन सोसायटीचें राजकारण करून सोदता पूण म्हाका मायकलाचो जो कालचो उलो तो क्लियर कट आहा क्लियर कट कितें की जे कोण राजकारण करतात तांकां वळया म्हणटा तो मडगांवचे आनी फातोर्डेचे जनतेक खबर आहा कोण राजकारण करता आणि मायकलाक जर लोक मानतात हांगाचे जाल्यार ताणें कितें करूंक जाय तें करूंक जाय एक वस्त अशी आहा आजूय बी राजकारणूच चालू आहा नाजाल्यार एक म्हाका बी सांगात प्रॉब्लेम हो म्हाका प्रश्नाचें उत्तर दियात की बीजेपीचे कावन्सिलर तांच्याच सरकारान तांच्याच मुख्यमंत्र्यान पास केल्लो प्रपोजल ओपोज कित्याक करतात ऑल्दो आय वॉन्ट टू थँक द चीफ मिनिस्टर फॉर हॅविंग अप्रूव्ड द प्रपोजल not doing politics at the time of stage of approval, but after sending it, he is doing nothing on the. I must be. There are directions to make this noise. कि हाजेर इलेक्शन करूया. एक solid waste management corporation म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंटाचे डेडिकेटेड एजन्सी गार्बेजा खातीर सॉलिड वेस्टा खातीर सरकारान घडोवन हाडल्या. हे कॉर्पोरेशन आसतना अर्बन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर करपाचें एक कॉर्पोरेशन जें आहा जी सुडा म्हणटाले सायमल्टेनियसली प्रपोजल कसो हाडटा इज इट नॉट ड्युप्लिकेशन ऑफ वर्क आय एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट ओनली सोसडो आय एम इवन सेइंग अबाउट चीफ मिनिस्टर सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एकूच काम दोन एजन्सी करतात कित्याक अरे नाल्यार केल्या कित्याक तें कॉर्पोरेशन आनी मंत्री मंडळान एक पोर्टफोलियो तयार केलो आनी म्हाका दिसता देशात पहिल्यांदा हो पोर्टफोलियो केल्लो सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट पोर्टफोलियो कित्याक केलो पोर्टफोलियो स्क्रॅप केलो पोर्टफोलियो स्क्रॅप केलो ते कॉर्पोरेशन इफ इट इज वर्क इज गोइंग टू बी डुप्लिकेटेड आय एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू सपोर्ट मायकल्स प्रपोजल व्हॉट आय एम ट्राइंग टू से इज गव्हर्नमेंट लुटपाक पेटला मिनिस्टर आपले कितें आपले बजेटान आपलो प्रपोजल येतलो आनी आपल्याक कट कितलो मेळटलो तातूंत मिनिस्टराचो तकली आहा सगळो फोकस लक्ष तांचेर आहा आनी कित्याचेर ना आपल्याक हे एक वर्सान कितलें चोरूंक मेळटलें कित्याक हाजे फुडें आमकां चान्स मेळचो ना हो तांकां पडिल्लो आहा पूण एकूच काम दोन मिनिस्ट्री करतात सरकारान क्लॅरिफाय करचें सोसायटीचे इश्यूचेर सरकार सिरियस आसा काय कितें आनी हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन मायकला कडच्यान येवंक जायना हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन मुख्यमंत्र्या कडच्यान येवंक जाय बीजेपीच्या पार्टीच्या अध्यक्षा कडच्यान येवपाक जाय.
It is Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 in Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. India's indigenous coronavirus vaccine Covaxin is set to be launched by June 2021. Covaxin had received approval for phase 3 clinical trials from DCGI on Friday. Bharat Biotech Executive Director Sai Prasad said It plans to test over 20,000 volunteers across 12 to 14 states in India in third and final phase.
Covaxin has been developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR. He said the government may approve Covaxin for emergency use. There are 3 potential COVID-19 vaccines in India that are undergoing clinical trials, that are Covaxin, Covishield, a Oxford University vaccine by Serum Institute of India, and Zydus Cadila vaccine. Covaxin is first vaccine in India to get approval for final phase trials. Covishield and Zydus Cadila are still undergoing phase 2 clinical trials. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The coronavirus tests in India have reached 10 crore. India is the third country to do most number of tests after China and America. China has tested 16 crore samples and USA has tested 12 crore samples till date. In first 5 crore samples tested by India, 42.77 lakhs were tested positive for COVID-19 and 71,000 deaths were reported. While in remaining 5 samples, 34.78 lakhs were tested positive for COVID-19 and 44,000 deaths were reported.
A single day jump of 53,370 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 650 deaths were reported and 67,549 patients have recovered. India has reported 78,14,682 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases stands at 6.80 lakh. 1,17,956 deaths are reported and 70,16,046 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 16.32 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 8 lakh, Karnataka 7.93 lakh, Tamil Nadu 7.3 lakh and UP 4.66 lakh. More than 4 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 4.78 crore. 11.42 lakh deaths are reported and 3.14 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 82.48 lakh cases, followed by second worst hit nation India 78.14 lakh cases, Brazil 53.55 lakh cases, Russia 14.80 lakh cases and Spain with 11.10 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The Goa Horticulture Corporation shop in Kokoli was gutted in fire on Friday night. Here's more on this.
The incident occurred on Friday night. Owners suspect that the cause of the fire could be due to short circuit. When informed the fire official, it took the fire brigade to reach at the site after nearly 1 hour, and now the villagers have demanded for a fire station in Kunkolim before any other untoward incident occurs in such a way.
म्हणपाक लागले तरी पूण 1 वर जालें आमच्या भुरग्यांनी सगळ्यांनी एक जावन ऊस पालयलो. आमकां आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आहा हांगा लागीं सगळीं हें आसा पूण हांगा फायर ब्रिगेडीचें कांयच येना. एक तरी फायर ब्रिगेड कोणें तरी हांगा आमकां हें करून दिवची ही आमची मागणी आसली. ती अजुनूय ना. पळय असली सिजन जातकीर लोक गांवचे येतात कोण आपणा उदक घेतात पालयतात हें आमकां मुखार जावपाक जायना. बेगीच्या बेगीन सगळ्यांनी हे म्युन्सिपालिटी पसून हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता सगळ्यांनी एक रेजोल्युशन घेवचें आनी आमकां फायर ब्रिगेड ही आमकां बेगीनच्या बेगीन असले इन्सिडंट्स आमकां दिवची.
आज एक कितली लॉस जाला?
टोटल तेगे लॉस 1 लाख भर वयर जातलोच.
1.5 लाख सुमार जाला.
1.5 लाख सुमार जातलोच. कित्याक तेगी भाजी आसली फर्निचर तागडी आसली इलेक्ट्रॉनीक तागडी ते तागडेचो एमावंट आसतलो 14,000 बी आसतलो. पूण दोनी आसा न्ही दोन तागडी तेगेले 30,000चे हें जातलें आनी ते पळय तेगे फर्निचर आसलें कॅश आसलें तेगेले
हे सगळे गेले.
आनी
ही जर फायर ब्रिगेड कुंकळे असले जाल्यार इतली लॉस जायना.
टोटल लॉस इतली जायना आसले. तरी पूण हांगा आतां कितें जालें गांवांत लोक आसले म्हणून बरें जालें आनी हे बेगीन जाल्ल्यान बरें जालें. आनी हे अबावट 10 आफ्टर 10 बी जालें जाल्यार हांगा पुराय टोटल शॉप वयता ते कितले हें जाता आसलें.
म्हणून तुमी फायर ब्रिगेड मागतात?
फायर ब्रिगेड ही आमकां कंपल्सरी जाय. आमकां तशी न्ही हांगा लागीं इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आहा लागीं शॉपां आसा लोकांनी खूब जाणां बिजनेस चलता. केन्नाय कितें इन्सिडंट जालो जाल्यार आमी जप्त करून येवपाक जाय. आमकां फायर ब्रिगेड ही कशी भशेन
हांगा हाडची म्हणून
आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता.
काल राती 8:30 सुमार हो उजो पेटलो जेन्ना ते दुकान बंद करून आपले घर वयताले आनी घर गेले नंतर रोखडे ताका कळोन येयलें की उजो पेटलो म्हणून ते रोखडे येयले आनी आपल्यागे बरे शॉटर जे आसा ते वयर काडले जाल्यार सगळे भितर लासून काबार आता हो उजो जो आसा हो शॉर्ट सर्किट जावन उजो लागलेलो आसा आनी ताका बी ते कळना कशें हें जालें तें सो रोखडोच आमी फायर स्टेशनाक फोन मारलो मडगांव थिंगच्यान फायर ब्रिगेड हिंगा पावता म्हणल्यार 45 मिनिट्स लागली आनी ह्या 45 मिनिट्सां भितर तेगे जें कितें सामान आशिल्लें फ्रीज आसली टीव्ही आशिल्ली मागीर तुगेले वॉर्डरोब आशिल्ले तेगे सेल्फ आशिल्ले वेजिटेबल लावपाचे सगळे लासून काबार जाले कांयच उरलें ना तरी पूण लोकांनी जें कितें आयल्यार आशिल्लें तें काडून वडून भायर काडून तेगे सेव केलें कळ्ळें न्हू सो हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की आमकां फायर स्टेशन हें सामकें खूब गरजेचें आसा असले कितले इन्सिडंट जाता कुंकळी जे मडगांवच्यान फायर ब्रिगेड हिंगा पावता म्हळ्यार सगळे लासून काबार जाता सो हांव कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट तशेंच सीएमा कडेन परत एक फावट रिक्वेस्ट करता आमचे MLA कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की जाता तितले बेगीन आमकां हिंगा फायर स्टेशन सेटअप करून दिवचें जेणे करून अशे जे इन्सिडंट घडटात ते लॉस ऑफ डॅमेज जाता प्रॉपर्टी जाता ते जावचे ना आनी लोकांक खंय तरी रिलीफ मेळटलें
ओके कितली लॉस जाल्ले काजू
सो 1,50,000 सुमार ताका टोटल लॉस जाल्ले आसा सगळे काबार तुमच्यान पळोवपाक आसा सगळे लासून काबार जाल्ले आसा सो तेन्ना हांव परत एक फावट रिक्वेस्ट करता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जाता तितले बेगीन हितून लक्ष घालून हें फायर स्टेशन आमकां कुंकळी सेटअप करून दिवचें म्हणून
लायटी शॉर्ट सर्किट जाले मागीर कितें लॉस जालो तुका
खूब जाणां टीव्ही गेली फ्रीज मेन गेलो दोनी मागीर फर्निचर कान बटाटा 2 साग आसले ते गेले बाकी भाजी आसली
टोटल कितले लॉस जाले 1.5 लाख लॉस जाले हे शॉर्ट सर्किट जाले मागीर फायर ब्रिगेड बी येयली
फायर ब्रिगेड एक वरान येयला पणजे फोन केला 3-4 नंबर आमी मडगांव धाडटात मडगांव तेणें भुरग्यांनी उदक मारून पावयलो
बट असले जाता जाल्यार आमकां फायर ब्रिगेड कुंकळ्यां जाय
कुंकळ्यां जायच
ना मडगांव सगळें येता म्हणल्यार काबार जाता
म्हणजे फायर ब्रिगेडी इतले टायम लागो जायना फायर ब्रिगेड एम्ब्युलन्स आनी पुलीस स्पिडीन येतात सदां
म्हण हांगा फायर ब्रिगेड आसल्यार बऱ्या पडटलें
आनी इंडस्ट्री आमी उज लागना पयलीं सगळ्याक म्हाका
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Konkolim.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.